I love when the first item of Box Week goes in the stockpile giveaway. It's just like kicking it off awesome. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 1 of June 2018 Box Week. Yay! So really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome, I'm Drew, and Box Week is the very, very best week every single month on my YouTube channel. It is the most fun we ever have because we spend 7 consecutive days together. We open up a subscription box every night, we hang out, we comment back and forth, we make a lot of friends here in the Just Like Drew crew. So if you want to be in the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video. Join our forever family. We are literally like the best crew ever. We're amazing. I love, love, love this community. You guys are amazing and awesome. So if you have only ever joined me for Box Week and you're brand new here, I guess some big major things that happened for me in the last month is I had excess skin removal surgery in order to remove the excess skin that was on my stomach after losing 250 pounds. So the last month I've had a lot of videos kind of talking about that part of my life and my journey, and I'm actually really excited to be here tonight to kick off Box Week because I just really like this is the best thing that we do on my channel. This is the most fun that we have, so I'm really excited to be here. And then for those of you that have joined our little family because of my plastic surgery journey, feel free to join us during Box Week or whatever. Basically there's a whole kind of plethora of videos to choose from about me, so if you're like this is my thing, check us out, whatever. So yeah, and I will have videos kind of talking about some of that part of my journey in the description box down below if you missed all of what's been going on in the Just Like Drew family over the last month. But I'm really excited for this month's Box Week because if you have been sticking with us for the last few months, you know that we've been doing what's called a stockpile giveaway. So this is actually the 3rd stockpile giveaway that we've been putting together. This is actually everything we compiled in the month of May. And when we finished out May, I felt like our stockpile giveaway, while it was full, I wanted to have some more like juicy, awesome items, and I just felt like they could be better. It's actually the 3rd one what we're doing. And tonight we are going to hopefully be putting items in our stockpile giveaway from Ipsy. So Ipsy is the subscription that started the subscription craze on my YouTube channel. It is $10 per month. And so we are going to get into that tonight. I'm excited to see what's in here. All right, so let's just get into this. This is my Ipsy this month. I'm excited to see what we get in here. All right, so on the very top, oh my gosh, we have some face masks and it says Unicorn Glow. This is from BioBell. I absolutely love BioBell. So these are face masks. Looks like we have a couple of them. I'm going to open up and see what we have in here. Oh my god, BioBell is a really good face mask brand. You can usually find their face masks at places like Ulta. Ipsy gives them out a lot. I love that they give them out because this is, like I said, a phenomenal skincare brand. It looks like, okay, they gave me 2 Unicorn Glow face masks, so I will be keeping one and putting one in our stockpile giveaway right off the bat. We have an item going in the stockpile giveaway. I love it when that happens. I love when the first item of Box Week goes in the stockpile giveaway. It's just like kicking it off awesome. All right, and this month's bag, okay, it is like a lipstick kind of tone, like pink, coral, and red. All right, so we have that. And I'm going to open this up and see what's inside. I'm also going to feel in the bag and make sure there's nothing else in there. Okay, so inside here, it says Flying Colors. Okay, so now I'm going to start reaching into the bag and see what we have in here. All right, the first item I'm pulling out is Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. Can you see that? So if you guys haven't maybe picked up in the last few videos, I have a new camera set up. So it's like I've been trying to figure out how things focus and how to do everything with that. So bear with me with all that, but it's very exciting and awesome. So I've been using new equipment. It's really, really cool. So I'm actually going to keep this. I've gotten this before. I actually really like this. I want to try it again. My skin's kind of been acting up a little bit recently with all the stuff that's been going on after surgery. So I'm excited to keep this and check that out and see how my skin does with it because I'm kind of been in need of a new toner. All right, the next item that we have in here is a Luxie. It looks like a Luxie 245 small shader eyeshadow brush. This is going to be going into our stockpile giveaway. As you guys know, I've been trying to put a lot of makeup brushes in the stockpile giveaway. I feel like it's a great way for people who maybe don't have as much stuff like in like the makeup or like beauty arena to like get some items. And like I always want to put things in the giveaway box I feel like are staples for people. Like you need a good set of brushes, you need stuff like that. So I've been putting that stuff in there. All right, the next item that we have is, it says Estate Lip Icing. Ooh, it's in a pink box. Can you see it? Can you see it? I don't know. All right, let me try and open this up and see what it looks like. It's called Goody. I'm guessing it's some kind of a lipstick. I'm trying not to jack the box up though because I want to see what color it is to see if we want to put this in the giveaway box. More than likely we will because I've been trying to put lip colors in there as well. Oh, girl. Y'all, it's like a pink shimmery magic. Yes, yes, yes. It looks like it is like a lip gloss. This is absolutely going in the giveaway box because that is just too cool, too fun. And that's another thing. I want whoever wins this box to just have some fun with some makeup and explore. You know, we don't want to just do like basic, normal stuff. We want to do stuff that's kind of outside the box and exciting. So that's going to go in there. And it looks like our last item is Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. It is a hydrating primer. Can you guys even see that? Can you see it? Is it focusing? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think it's focusing. I'm sorry. All right, that's also gonna go into the giveaway box. And you know what? I'm gonna put this makeup bag in there too because I like how sturdy this is. And I'm looking in the box here. I didn't even remember everything that was in the giveaway box from last month. And there's no makeup bag. So we're gonna put this makeup bag in there as well. All right, so quickly to recap the Ipsy this month, we got the really cute makeup bag. I love, love, love this pink to red shading. We have the Makeup Forever Step 1 Priming Moisturizer, which we're gonna put into the giveaway box. We're putting the Luxie eyeshadow brush into the giveaway box as well. It is a small like shading brush. If you want to know what you would actually use something like this for, this is really great for packing on shimmer. So you see I have a shimmer on my eyelid. You'd want to use this for something like that because it's something that's like more compact and it's able to like pack on like a more delicate tone that you want to put on, you know, like your makeup. So there's that. We have the Estate Lip Icing, which is the fun like shimmery lip gloss color. That is going in the giveaway box as well. I am keeping the Pixi Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner because my skin's been a little bit acting out recently. And then I'm going to be keeping one and giving one away of the Facial Perfect Radiance Mask from BioBell, the Unicorn Sweets Mask. Okay, so here's our giveaway box already. It's like already full. I'm letting you guys know we're going to be giving this away this month. I realize now this is a lot fuller than I thought. I don't know why last month I thought this wasn't full. Maybe because April's was just like exploding and I was like, this needs to be better. So we're putting in the BioBell face mask right here. The Estate Lip Icing is going in there, the Luxie eyeshadow brush, the bag from Ipsy, and the Step 1 Makeup Forever primer. And we'll be putting items in here basically every day, unless it's like one of like the food boxes. Obviously we don't give food away. So that's just gonna be like really full this month. I'm really excited about it because I'm like just so pumped for somebody to win this. I've been going through so much recently and this is just like so exciting for me to be back doing box week because it is just my favorite thing to do. All right, so that's actually all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our Forever family because we're literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of box week. I'm excited. We are here. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Trying to relax. And basically they removed a bunch of the fluid and then they had me rest for a while. I think they went and saw maybe another patient or something in between and then came and removed more fluid.